Strumming chords and wiping tears on New Year's Eve, I was left to wonder if heartbreak is a long-awaited prophecy or the 11th commandment. I sang the first hymn and watched you close your eyes, shaking your head like you would if I were served cold on a Sunday noon. I am not the mathematician who loves to find X when his whiskey is waiting, cubes melting in yellow. I have been your intoxicant, associate professor of whiskey and wine. I drink and pour myself another until I am a river. This is how stories drown in me. Sip me, if you please, but slowly. Do you remember the spark in our first kiss? I know how fire burns on water. We made it happen on Lover's Day after we left a note on the doorknob saying, "Busy right now, come back later." So no one knocked on our door. There is no song greater than the fire that burns on water, tickling tongues and tendons, eternal fire and flames. We stood on the flames to peep into heaven, to ask a blue-eyed angel at the gates of light if angels sing R&B or rap, if Jesus owned a baroque trumpet or classical guitar, if XQ is served on arrival. To search your eyes is to play a game of numbers, counting backwards and asking God to raise the dead again. Lazarus was his friend, but so are we, breathless, hoping to hear a voice when we drink our last bottle.